Hello everyone, this is Nadia from Ascend Code IT Training and Support, and in this video you're going to learn how to integrate the free version of HubSpot CRM with the free version of Mailchimp. Some of you may be asking why integrating with Mailchimp makes sense when you could simply use the paid version of the HubSpot CRM. Well, one reason could be to save on costs. In order to get the functionality that you would with Mailchimp by just purchasing the HubSpot CRM package, you would need to pay around $100 per month. On the other hand, in order to integrate Mailchimp with the HubSpot CRM using the method I am about to show you, you will only pay around $20 a month. Another reason to use Mailchimp with HubSpot is if you already are using Mailchimp for your email newsletter campaigns and do not want to redo your email send out sequences. Or you simply love using Mailchimp and would also love to be able to collect more information on each of your customers by using the free HubSpot CRM. Whatever the case may be, let's get started by going to the Automate.io website. Below this video, you will find a link to the Automate.io integration section for HubSpot and Mailchimp. Once you have Okay, so here we are on the Automate.io website, and we are on the page specific to the integration between Mailchimp and the HubSpot CRM. Now remember that you can sign up for a free Mailchimp account and a free HubSpot CRM account, and this will still work. The pricing on the Automate.io is what will cost $20 per month to integrate the two together, but it is still a lot cheaper than paying $100 for the HubSpot CRM and all of its functionality that you would normally get in Mailchimp. We can get started for free. There is a 7-day free trial. You do not have to start the 7-day free trial until everything is connected and you are accepting new data to HubSpot CRM, which I will explain later. Here, you want to add your HubSpot CRM account. Now, I've already done this, so I don't need to click add, but you can go ahead and do that. I named my existing account HubSpot CRM. I'm going to click use this, and I'm going to do the same thing with Mailchimp. I've already added my Mailchimp account to Automate.io, so I don't need to click this. I'm going to use the same one as I've been using. Now, as you can see, I can select a trigger app and I can select an action app. The trigger app is the one that will send the data to the action app. In this case, we want to send Mailchimp subscribers, new subscribers actually, not old subscribers, to HubSpot CRM. Now there's still some work to be done. We need to select a trigger event, which is a new subscriber. And I'm also going to select the list. As you can see, I have several Mailchimp lists that went with different websites. One of them is my Nurbles website. And as part of my fields, I have all of these fields available to me for people who have signed up. In the HubSpot CRM section, we're going to select an action. This action is going to be add or update a contact. We're going to here associate the contact email, first name and last name, with whatever was input for the first name, last name, and email address from the Nurbles list. So let's expand contact email. And as you can see, email address, which is the trigger, comes from Mailchimp. So we're going to associate the Mailchimp email address with the contact email on HubSpot CRM. The rest is optional. The only thing that you really have to input for contact in terms of email is email address, and then there's first name, last name, and all of the others that you might have collected. I'm going to add first name just so you can see how it's done, and last name. It's the same thing as adding the email address, and it all comes from Mailchimp. Let's save that. Bot is currently turned off. This means that it is not currently accepting any new records. So let's turn it on. and it is currently waiting for a new subscriber coming from Mailchimp. Let's run with sample data. That means we're going to test this and see if it actually works. It is going to input all of this data from Mailchimp. Now only 3 of these are going to be captured, which is the first name, last name, and email address, as we've already seen. Let's proceed. And congratulations, your bot is all good. That means everything is working properly. I can go ahead and start a 7-day free trial. Unless I click this, the bot is not going to be accepting new data from Mailchimp into the HubSpot CRM, but you're free to start your trial. So we are now on the contacts page of the HubSpot CRM, and as you can see, the Bruce Lee sample data was added from automate.io with its email example@gmail.com. So we are certain that this does work, and from there it is simply a matter of enabling automate.io to accept new entries from Mailchimp. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please enter them below. I will do my best to answer them.